I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm currently enjoying a bit of a cold snap here in New York City. We've had a relatively mild winter, but right now the temperature's dipped quite a bit, so it's feeling kind of crisp, and it's a nice reminder that we're still in winter. And with that in mind, I decided to order a couple of things from a company brand that I haven't bought in a hot minute from, and that's Sephora. Let's see what's inside, shall we? And this is the Sephora Best Skin Ever. I've been seeing some videos lately on it. Had me intrigued and I want to try it. I hope I got the right, looks about right, the color. This is in 10N or 10 neutral. So, has some heft to it. Feels like it might be glass bottle. Okay, I will put the information somewhere on the screen. The next thing I got that I've been eyeing, oh yes, is this lovely lipstick. And this is from, I don't know if you can read that, Dior right there. Yeah. And this is their Rouge Dior Forever Liquid. I've been eyeing this and it's been in my cart for like forever, so I'm definitely going to be reviewing this in an upcoming channel. And because I did a prior test on this, and I'm not going to say anymore, it will be in an upcoming video, but yeah, I got the KVD Good Apple Full Coverage Serum Foundation. And I got this in the shade Light 008 because I was gifted by influencer. The only one that they had even near, they only had a limited amount of shades to try out. And it was 002, which is like the palest, the lightest one they had. And it was really pale. I will post a review on that upcoming soon, but I also wanted to try it in a deeper, well for me, deeper shade. Yeah, so I'm intrigued. Have you heard about this serum foundation? Let me know in the comments below. And that, my dear friends, is the haul that I received from Sephora. Yeah, 3 products. And you will hopefully stay tuned in to see what my next video is going to be on one of these products. So I'm definitely excited about that. So I'm wondering if I should even try on my face to try. Yeah. Which one should I try? I've been hearing a lot about these two. I'm really excited. But I will hold off and I will give a more thorough review and focus on this particular one, Sephora's Best Skin Ever, and a follow-up video for this in the supposed deeper shade, for me anyway. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Have you treated yourself lately to something from Sephora? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my little Sephora haul unboxing, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.